Oh my God, do I sound like Felicity?
My suit went kaboom.
When do you think he'll realize he didn't take his clothes?
You think good?
Bam. Ouch.
Ouch.
What is going on? You were struck by lightning, dude. Lightning gave me abs.
Felicity Smoke. Iris West.
Barry Allen. But you both already knew that. Code 237 on Wade Boulevard.
Public indecency.
Wait, I think I'm in a 239.
Dog leash violation.
Bad man with a gun in a getaway car. Go!
Maybe we should just listen to the radio.
Quiet is good.
What exactly are we debating?
The average number of bugs Barry swallows in a day of running.
Look forward to seeing you accept your Nobel.
I had a childhood nemesis, Lexi LaRoche. She was with gum in my hair.
That's my bad. That's on me. No one that looks like you. I'm sorry. That was inappropriate. Please don't leave.
Which one is the North Wing?
The one with the big belly burger. I eat.
He was mostly a jerk, but every once in a while, he could be a dick.
Hey, what's up, Doc? Sorry, that was dumb.
Barry, it's Caitlin.
Hey, Caitlin. How's your day?
13 fractures. That's a new record, and that's just in your hand.
What exactly did you hit?
A man. A big, bad man.
I can't feel anything. Yeah, that's usually what happens when you drink too much.